Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off your email notifications from Pinterest. First off, we need to go to our Pinterest profile. We need to click on the bottom right icon that says saved, and that will take us to our profile right here. And then on the top left corner, there's a 3 dots icon. We're going to need to click on that, and this will pop up. And then there's settings and copy profile link. We're going to need to click on the settings. And we have a couple of options here: public profile, personal information, account management, home feed tuner, social permission, and notifications. We're going to click on the notifications. Then we have notifications on Pinterest, notifications by email. We're going to click on the notifications by email. And you have a couple of options here, but for you to turn off all of the email notifications, on the top of the screen you can see an icon that says turn off all. We're going to click on that. Are you sure? Turn off all. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button in this video, help you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.